HyperX NGENUITY is a comprehensive software suite designed to customize and control HyperX gaming peripherals. However, Mac users face a significant limitation with this software. The software provides comprehensive control over RGB lighting, key bindings, DPI settings, user profiles, and firmware updates for HyperX peripherals. Annuity supports a wide range of HyperX devices across multiple categories. These include gaming keyboards like the Alloy Elite RGB and Origin series, headsets such as the Cloudflight and Alpha S, RGB mousepads from the Fury Ultra series, and various Pulsefire gaming mice. However, there is a significant limitation for Mac users. Currently, there is no official native macOS version of HyperX NGENUITY. While Windows users have full access to all features, Mac users are left without official support. This means Mac users cannot access RGB lighting customization, configure key bindings, adjust DPI settings, manage user profiles, or update firmware through official means. They must rely on workaround solutions to access even basic customization features. This limitation significantly impacts the Mac gaming community, forcing users to seek alternative solutions to fully utilize their HyperX peripherals. Mac users have several workaround solutions to run HyperX NGENUITY software. The most reliable approach involves virtualization solutions that create a Windows environment on your Mac. Parallels Desktop is the premium option, costing around $99.99 per year. It offers the best performance and seamless integration between macOS and Windows, with excellent USB device pass-through support for your gaming peripherals. VMware Fusion is an alternative virtualization solution with a one-time cost of around $149. It provides similar functionality to Parallels, but with a different pricing model that some users prefer. VirtualBox is the free option, though it comes with limited performance compared to the paid solutions. It's a good starting point for users who want to test the concept before investing in premium software. Intel Mac users have an additional option called Boot Camp, which allows native Windows performance by creating a separate Windows partition. However, this feature is not available on Apple Silicon Macs with M1, M2, or M3 processors. OpenRGB is a third-party open-source alternative that provides limited HyperX device support. While free and community-driven, it requires more technical knowledge and doesn't support all HyperX peripherals. These workaround solutions successfully provide access to key features including RGB lighting control with color customization and effects, DPI configuration with multiple presets, and basic key remapping with macro support. However, some advanced features remain limited or unavailable, including automatic game integration, advanced lighting synchronization, and firmware updates, which often require native Windows access. All virtualization solutions require a Windows license, at least 8 GB of RAM with 16 GB recommended, and 50 GB or more of free storage space for optimal performance.